Suntec Designs, I think they have been very professional from the start to the finish. My name is Audrey. I'm a teacher. Yes, and welcome to my home. This place was quite enclosed, so there were cabinets and the fridge was just in a very awkward position. So Imran suggested a more open concept. So as you can see, it's quite open, everything is, it flashes quite nicely, the layout and all. So, I also had my shoe cabinet, which was something that I really wanted. I love the space, keep my things organized, and it's very nice, every morning when I go into the room to get ready for work. And we decided to just convert it into a walk-in wardrobe with lots of storage space. And Imran made my dream come true. We initially had a jacuzzi upstairs. After discussing, we don't really want it. So Imran suggested we cover the place and just make it an outdoor space. We wanted a place for us to have our meals together, definitely. Okay, and the balcony is a nice place, and also a separate place for us to do our work. So Imran suggested we partition, make a very nice arc. So it's two separate spaces, but it flows very nicely. I think we put out a notice, is it? Imran was one of the first to respond, and he was very earnest. He was one of the first to come and wanted to take measurements, and also I think it's his sincerity of wanting to do a good job made us, I think, decide to go with him as well. Very well taken care of. Many things were done by them. Okay, so it was quite fast, free, very convenient for us. We made appointments to just choose this, choose that, and I think things just came about quite easily, I would say. Renovation can be a very stressful process, but Suntec Designs has made it quite an enjoyable experience for us. Okay, I would recommend Suntec Designs if you want a stress-free renovation and an enjoyable experience.